Hey you guys, I have a quick video for you this week. I wanted to share with you how I decorate my macarons so easily and so quickly. If you're into making macarons or plan on making them, this video is for you, so let's get right into it. So I usually start off with some edible colored dust or food coloring. Here I'm using some pink dust by Sugar Art. I'll leave the link below. Going to put a bit into a small bowl and adding a few drops of Everclear. You can use vodka or water. I prefer using vodka because it dries much more quickly. So I'm taking a basting brush that have these flexible natural bristles. This is my favorite tool to use to make beautiful and light brush strokes. And as you can see here, I'm just lightly dabbing the brush into the pink liquid and adding strokes to the macaron. You can honestly leave them simple just like this, but I'm going to glam them up a bit by adding golden brush strokes using a mix of edible gold dust and Everclear, just like the pink colored mixture. In my opinion, the gold really helps to make these pop out, and it goes with any color, so I love adding this golden accent. Okay, so I'm also going to add more liquid to the gold dust because I want to add light paint splatter on them. Another little technique I love to do, so I'm going to just dip my brush into the gold color mixture and lightly tap the brush so that it splatters a little on the macarons. I'm adding just a little bit, I don't want to go overboard. See how beautiful this design turned out? I love how quick and easy this technique is. It gives such a pretty and elevated vibe. Okay, so now I'm going to fill the macarons with some buttercream. I'll leave the link for my favorite frosting recipe here. Be sure to check it out after this video. I mixed some pink and white frosting in a piping bag fitted with a Wilton 2D piping tip. I'm just turning it a bit as I pipe it onto one macaron. I love how there's sort of a ruffle texture on the side when you use the Wilton 2D tip. Just adds another pretty element to this elegant dessert. And there you have it guys, an easy way to make your macarons unique and beautiful, ready to be served just like this, or use it to top your cakes and cupcakes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments if you did. I would love to know if you tried this technique out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.